Founded in 1854, Berkeley Divinity School is the Episcopal Seminary at Yale. We are a part of the learning community here at Yale University, which for over 300 years has been committed to improving the world through outstanding research and scholarship, education, preservation, and practice.
The Leader's Way is a Yale certificate program for church leaders seeking renewal, challenge, and community. The program begins with 1 week in residence at Yale and continues online in cohorts.
The key place of learning for any of us at any age is peer learning. The Leader's Way helps keep us accountable to one another, keeps us accountable to the work we believe God has given us to do, and keeps us faithful to the commitments we have made.
The Leader's Way consists of 4 components. In the residential program, fellows spend 5 days at Yale learning and praying in community, spending time with scholars, and accessing resources from one of the world's great universities.
The second component is the synchronous online workshops for 8 months where fellows continue learning to support their ministry. Topics include prayer, adaptive leadership, conflict transformation, and innovation in ministry.
Then, in monthly mentor groups, fellows receive the support of a mentor and fellowship of their peers in ministry.
Finally, the last component of the Leader's Way is the Innovative Ministry Project, in which clergy leaders commit to incubating an experiment in ministry. Fellows explore new and emerging ways of doing ministry to meet the challenges of their communities.
To change the emotional and imaginative horizon of the whole congregation. This is the invitation from the Holy Spirit, and this is the work of adaptive leadership. And that's really what we're trying to do here with Leader's Way.
I'm a Southern Baptist, and many of my friends are like, why are you going there? You're not Episcopalian, we don't follow the Anglican tradition. And I would say, get here and you'll discover that the Anglican tradition loves Jesus too, and you'll also discover that getting outside of your bubble will help deepen your ability to serve well.
Slowly but surely, each and every one of these days, I have shed a little bit more of the stress and anxiety of pastoring full-time, and I've been able to connect with colleagues and gain some space with the Spirit that I didn't have before.
Our world and our community are faced with so many challenges, and we believe church leaders can courageously face them and rise to the occasion. The Leader's Way brings together the best of pilgrimage, seminary, and retreat to renew church leaders and empower them to serve the world through the power of the gospel.
Are you looking for inspiration, a reset button, community, and challenge? All are welcome to apply to become a fellow. Join us as we seek, pray, learn, and build the church of the 21st century.
God's church is worldwide, and so this is a wonderful opportunity to have made many friends, and I trust that the relationships will continue. It won't end with this week.